Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Everyone's here. I think this is actually Josie's channel now. I could be wrong. Is this your channel, ma'am? Oh, she's thirsty. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for July 2019. This box is $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe hair care, skincare, makeup samples. And then you also get 50 beauty insider points to add to your Sephora account. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the values of the samples in here, adding them up, finding out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so when you open up the box, it looks just like this. We've got our little pamphlet right here that's gonna tell us everything we're getting in here, as well as a little bit more information about it. And then your little insider points are right here. Let me apologize for the lighting. Hopefully this is the last video I have to film during the evening. My husband is working nights right now, so he's sleeping during the day, so I don't want to film because I don't want to wake him up, you know, that kind of thing. So I've been filming after work. So that's kind of what's going on with the lighting. So it's kind of like sun setting right now. All right, so your little samples come in this bag. This month it's green. Okay, so right on top here looks like a perfume sample. It's like in this little bag. Let's go ahead and see what this is. So in there is the little perfume sample. This is from Atelier Cologne. The scent is Clementine, California. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know if they're cruelty free. Let's go ahead and give it a sniff though. I can always give it to somebody else if I can't use it. It's not an overpowering scent. It does smell a little bit orangey, but it's not bad. I do like the way it smells. It's kind of light, a light scent. It smells really good actually. And actually, you know what I like to save these little samples for? I like to use them when I travel, so that way I don't have to take like a big thing of perfume. I like to take these, so yeah. I also got a little postcard with that, so that's kind of cute. Okay, so the scents in here are clementine, juniper berries, and something in French. Vetiver? Vetiver? I don't have a French accent, so I can't say that word. But yeah, cool. Glad to have that. I like the way it smells. Hopefully it's cruelty free. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Shiseido. This is a ControlledChaos Mascara ink. There's the packaging right there. I can't remember if this brand's cruelty free off the top of my head. But let's just see. So it's a little mascara right here. It's probably black. Yes, Black Pulse is the color. And here's the wand right there. It is a little bit of a volumizing sort of wand. If it is cruelty free, I'll use it. I feel like I've been getting so much mascara lately though. I don't know if I needed this, but. And the next thing I am pulling out is from Milk Makeup, which is cruelty free. So this is the Hydro Grip Primer. Hemp-derived cannabis extract and blue agave extract activate all-day hydration and hold. So there's what the packaging looks like. I really like that a lot. So, wow, that's nice. I like that. You know, I find when I get these primer samples, they last me forever. Like I got a Tarte one in a Ipsy a while ago and I'm still trying to use it up. So I definitely will try this. Let's go ahead and see what the formula feels like. So it does feel like a little gel-like on the skin, but then once you rub it out, it feels very moisturizing. It does have, I don't think it's scented. I think I'm still smelling that Clementine perfume. So it is a little sticky though, I'm not gonna lie, but I guess that's why it's called Hydro Grip. So I'm curious to see if this has an effect on my makeup, so definitely curious to try that. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is from Indie Lee. Never heard of this brand, but it does have a little bunny on the back, so it is cruelty free. Brightening Cleanser, Strengthen and Protect. Wonder if this is for your hair? No. Alright, so of course my camera died, but it did give me some time to look up whether the Shiseido item was cruelty free, and it is not. So now I know that. I think I was on this Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. I thought it was for your hair, but it's not. So it's apply to damp skin, massage and rinse. Use wet cotton pad to remove eye makeup. So I guess it's like a makeup remover cleanser sort of thing. So it is cruelty free. Curious to give this a try. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Living Proof, which is cruelty free. This is the Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. So the packaging looks just like this. This is a decent size sample, I think. It feels pretty hefty. So it smells very clean, just like a clean, if you've ever smelled anything Living Proof, it just smells like Living Proof. So I'm not sure if I've tried this exact thing before, but I have tried some of their hair products and I do like them. So definitely excited to have this. I always save these sort of like samples for when I travel. So I might be saving it for that. Okay, looks like I have one more thing in here. And this is from Ren, which is cruelty free. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So there it is right there. I've been seeing a lot about this AH. I've been getting so many things in my boxes that have that particular word in it. So it must be something that's happening. I don't know. I'm not an ingredient connoisseur. So it says saturate a cotton pad and swipe onto clean skin over the face and neck day and night, avoiding eye areas. So it's just a tonic. I use a toner every day, so definitely excited to try this out. And this is a pretty decent sample size. I think this will last me quite a bit. Let's see if it smells like anything. It probably just smells like alcohol. So it does have like a little bit of a citrus scent actually, so that's kind of interesting. And I do like, I'll show you this, it has like that on the top, the little hole. So I like that, so you can get more of like the right amount that you actually need. You don't waste it. So yeah, excited to have that. So overall, I like this box a lot. I have just this that I know for sure is not cruelty free, that I'm not going to use. Since I did open it up, I'll probably just go ahead and give it away to a friend. But I don't know, it's weird because I got very little makeup in this box and I still like it. Probably because Sephora Play is like the worst for cruelty free for me, and I got 4 items in here that are for sure cruelty free, and just the perfume that I still have to research. But even then, that's like the bonus item, so I'm not mad. I'm really excited to try the Milk Makeup Primer, and the toner is probably what I'm most excited about. But yeah, I would love to know what you guys thought of this box and what you got in your Sephora Play box if you are subscribed to this. I do like that Sephora Play has like a bunch of different variations, so I always like to hear what other people got in their boxes. So if you do subscribe to this, let me know down in the comments what you got. As always, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more terrible lighting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Do you want to say anything? You guys are quiet today. Anybody have any goodbye messages? Nothing from nobody? Oh. Oh. Anything to say, ma'am? No? No words? No words from you? Josie? You have nothing to say in this video? Nothing? You have no farewell messages? Bronx? Nothing to say? Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's what Josie has to say. So if you were wondering what's on her mind, that's what she has to say. Okay, now I'm leaving. Bye.